Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'd like to invite you to the Chef's Backyard where I share recipe tips, tricks to help you get in and out of the kitchen as quickly as possible. I've been cooking for over 25 years and I want to share that knowledge with you.
Hi guys, welcome to the Chef's Backyard. Today I want to show you my brand new grill. This is the Denali 425 from Monument Grills. Let's take a look. We're gonna put it together first. It comes shipped in a box. So let me show you. And don't forget, if you have kids, this is a great barbecue fort. So your kids will love to play in this too. Hang on to it. All right, guys, so as you can see, you have your instructions right here on top. It comes with a packet of screws. They're easily labeled for you to see with letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Got a couple of parts right here. Right off the bat, this is the bottom. This is the Denali 425, and it's got that beautiful kind of powder coat, matte black finish on it. Oh man, so pretty. You got the upgraded accessory hooks for the side shelf support bar. My brand new warming shelf. Look at those cool cutouts, man. Isn't that cool? This is your warming shelf. This is for your propane tank. Now let me turn this around, guys. There it is. It's got that brand new clear view. Take a pair of snips to cut those plastic bands off inside, guys. This looks like it's your side shelf. Sure is. There's that super new control module. I like to save one of these bags and throw the styrofoam in there while I'm working. That makes cleanup easier. All right, so this is all of your accessories with your knob for your side burner, your pro. This has your flame tamer. This box has your wheels, and this is your other side burner. You've got your drip pan, catch pan there. Oh look, and they've even included a little aluminum catch pan cleaner. Super cool. Thanks, Monument Grills. These are going to be your grates, your grill grates. And then here we have the doors, not the band, but the doors. And you've got your drip tray, removable. And there you have it, guys. In about 10 minutes, we've got this thing unpacked. So now we can begin our assembly. So step one is to insert your wheels. They just snap right in. You just push that in, snap in. All right, now we're ready to assemble the shelf. All right, also one of the cool things that they do is they have the screws already pre-installed. So you just gotta back them out. That's one of the things that makes these grills really easy to assemble. You can have it done in just a few steps. Let me change that camera angle for you. All right, so there's some nice keyhole cutouts. Those just go right over the screws. Screws come forward, or the shelf comes forward, and you just screw it in. You see this cutout right here? That's what I'm talking about. It's like a keyhole. And that just slides right over the screw head, and it goes back like that. Let me show you one more time. So you just slip that over, pull it forward, and then screw it down. For the next step, we'll need 4 of these letter A screws. We're gonna go ahead and install 2 of them into the silver part here. And then we'll slide our part onto that. And then you'll just find the screw hole down here and install that screw. You'll do the same over on this side. Line it up, start it with your fingers, and you can just screw it together. All right, so you've got these little brackets. There's 2 of them, one for each corner. And you've got these screws. So just back out the screws, and then you just slide that over the screws and tighten it. Repeat for both sides. Now you're gonna need 4 of the F screws to put on your support. The magnets go down. All right, so at this step, after you've tightened everything, I like to go around and just make sure all of the screws are nice and tight. Give them a little more torque, and that way your cabinet is nice and sturdy. See that? So now we've assembled the cabinet. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the grill up on top of the cabinet. If you have a helper, that's fine. If not, it can be a one-person job. Hopefully this is lined up. Let's see. All right, guys, so now we've got it in place. This is kind of what it's gonna look like. Great looking grill. We'll just line up the side holes and put the screws in. All right, guys, that ain't going nowhere. That is a great looking grill. All right, so we've got the base installed, put together. We've got the grill on top. Now we're going to put together the side shelves. And we've got two on this one. One has the smart module on it, which has your thermostat and your probes. And the other one is another side burner. All right, so to put the accessory rack on these shelves, you're going to need 6 of those little screws. This little clip goes right over the shelf inside, and that will help you center it. And you just install. If you do it this way, it's a lot easier than if you try to wait until you get the shelves on. And you're going to do this for both shelves, okay? All right, guys, so there's our shelves with the accessory holders installed. Okay, for both sides, you're going to want to back out the mounting screws for your shelf. And just like the other parts that slide over, you'll just line that up and slide them in. And from that point, you just tighten them. At this point, you're going to follow the directions to install the burner. This is your gas line, and this goes to your burner there. It's just a couple of screws, back them out, install it, and then you install the knob. All right, so here on the side burner, you're going to want to install the LED. Push that through the bottom part, line them up, plug it in, and then just line up your holes and install your screw. Take your screw and then install your new knob. Something new on this grill is the temperature probe. It comes with a little shield. Here's your temperature probe. You just want to line it up over the top, bring it back, and screw it into these holes. Now this sits right under where the grill grates go, so you'll get a great reading of what temperature your grill actually is. Again, I like to take some snips. That way you can carefully remove these. You don't want to puncture your line. Okay, so follow your wiring diagram so that way you can get this right. It's going to come with a little heat shield, and you want to put the 2 wires that are coming from the shelf through there, and then install that with 2 screws. Then grab your battery box. Let's put some batteries in it. So now that you've got your batteries installed, go ahead and install. So next we're going to insert the security screws here for the shelf. They go through the firebox and into the drilled hole into the nut on the shelf. All right, so now we're going to install the safety screws onto the shelf. They go right in through the firebox with a nut, and that's what'll help to secure your shelf there.
All right, guys, it's time for the walk around on the brand new Denali 425. Let's check it out. There we have it, guys, the Denali 425. It's got that beautiful matte black finish. It's got smart LED display screen. It runs on AA batteries. Denali 425. The Denali 425 comes with a side burner, clear view lid. It's got the brand new warming rack with those cutouts. Those will be useful for your jalapeno poppers, your chicken wings, chicken legs. Don't forget that your drip pan comes with it too. You've got 4 stainless steel burners in there. Inside of that box, you've got 4 stainless steel fire tubes. Let's turn them on. You have a ignition button. Look at those flames, guys. Check out the cool new dual temp knobs. So did you see how it turned down? Whenever it's full on, it's going to be red. And whenever you turn your temperature down, this part and this part are going to come down too. All by Monument Grills. Your grill comes with the flame tamers. Those go right over your steel burner tubes. Your grill comes with porcelain-coated grill grates, a porcelain-coated firebox for easy cleanup, you've got a brand new feature on this one. This is the temperature gauge. So that's inside, and that's going to tell you what the temperature of the grill is. You have a spot for a couple of probes, and that'll tell you what the temperature of your meat is, or vegetables, whatever you're cooking. You've got storage for your propane tank. You've got the clear view lid. That way you can see what's going on. I did a big cook for Monument Grills this last week. We did a whole bunch of stuff. Go check that video out. I'll link it in the description. If you like cooking recipe videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for stopping by here at the Chef's Backyard.